Sit comfortably and take a deep breath in. Good, and exhale fully. Every time that you breathe in, imagine light filling your whole entire body. And as you exhale, any tension or stress is released. Breathe in the light and breathe out tension. Do this for a few moments. In this guided meditation, we are going to go on a journey to expand your abundance flow and allow more receiving and more giving. And breathe. I want you to imagine you are in a field on a perfect day. Lie down in this field. Feel the soft grass beneath you. Hear the birds and feel the breeze against your face. Breathe deep. You are safe here. White clouds float in the blue sky. Nature surrounds you and feels so magical. Just lie in this field for a moment and breathe. With every breath feeling more and more relaxed. At one end of the field, I want you to imagine that there is an entrance to a forest. I want you to get up now feeling so good and walk towards the entrance. Once you get there, I want you to see a staircase leading up and deeper into the forest with 10 steps adorned with flowers and greenery. Take a deep breath, and in a moment you're going to climb the stairs one at a time, feeling good. Take the first step now, and the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth step, birds are chirping, seventh step, eighth step, ninth step, and 10th step. You are surrounded by this beautiful forest, and in front of you is a pathway. Follow the path, taking in all the nature that surrounds you. As you continue to walk through this beautiful pathway in this enchanted forest, I want you to see a square glass house with a table and chair inside. Walk into this glass house and take a seat. You can see the beautiful forest all around you, and it begins to rain outside. You are safe in the glass house, and you can see the forest around you being nourished by the beautiful rain. And breathe. In this place, I want you to bring to mind a moment in your life where you received a large sum of money. Whether it was cash or a check, a gift or a bonus, or an exchange for services, just remember this large sum of money and bring it to mind. Who was there? Who did you receive it from? What did you feel? What were you surrounded by? Take a moment now and just remember this experience and all the details around it. Good. Take a deep breath. And as you remember this moment, with the view of the forest and the rain falling down, feeling relaxed, I want you to give thanks for this amount that you once received. I would like you to tell the surrounding forest, tell the universe what you were able to do with this amount that brought you joy and ease. I want you to now tell the universe that you are ready for more and that you are so excited. In front of you on the table, an amount of money materializes, either in cash or as a check, a gift from the universe. It is yours. How much is it? What are you feeling? Pick it up, feel it in your hands. And as you feel it, take a moment to make a mental list of what you are going to do with this amount. What will you create? What will you give? What will you spend? And how will it make you feel? Take a moment and be with your gift of money and imagine all that will happen with it. Thank the universe for sending you this gift. Let the universe know how excited and grateful you are for it. You hear a gentle whisper say, "It is on the way. It is yours already." And what was on the table has now been sent to your bank account. Take a deep breath, feeling so good and so excited. The rain starts to fall a little harder now. It is a magical rain. You can see it nourish the forest and the earth. You can smell it. It feels so comforting and so good. Now tell the universe to allow abundance to rain upon you, to nourish your foundation, to encourage growth and joy, an abundant rain. And the rain now is heavy and steady. And you see the roof and the walls of your glass house disappear, and you feel the rain on top of your head in a safe and beautiful way, in a refreshing and nurturing way. And as it falls on your head, this beautiful, steady, warm rain, imagine abundance raining on you. It is powerful. It feels good. It is steady. Breathe. Feeling so good, the clouds begin to part and the rain subsides and the sun shines through the forest trees, creating beautiful rays. It is a new moment. You feel cleansed and strong. The sun dries you up and you are ready to receive. Walk back down the path in this forest. And you get to the staircase descending. Take a step down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You walk towards the field and lie back down feeling recharged. Take a deep breath. Bring your attention to your toes. Start to wiggle them and your fingers. Feeling so good. Feeling so ready. Open your eyes. Feeling good. Back in your body. The money is yours.